Well, George did it again. Look at it. You got a flat tire. How did you manage how to do that? Don't act like you didn't do it. Get the tire out.
You agreed with pizza.
Oh, pizza started. I forgot about that. Yeah. All right. So you still got another bolt party. You're gonna leave that
you
there?
Said 4.
Did I?
4.
Oh yeah, you got 4. All right, but you got to get that right.
4.
We got Kevin on board over here. How's it going? Can't say hi. he's a shy, camera shy. So it's like we got to lift that thing up.
Why, so
we got a flat tire.
do I take this one out?
Yeah, you take it out. And we're gonna go get some pizza. I mean, first was Taco Bell, but then he was gonna throw up on that, and then it's like pizza was the next one. And then we got a flat tire, and he was blaming it on Kevin. I said it was George. And we're almost done, right?
Yeah, thank you.
I mean, are you done yet? Come on, Preston, I thought you got this. We got the spare tire out. Kevin pulled it out. He was like rock and rolling on that. And Preston, I thought he had this done by now. He's keep crossing his fingers there. I don't know why, but you know. Okay, can you lift a little bit on that? Okay, that's it. Hold on a second, Preston, because that's gonna come on you. Yeah, it needs to come more up because it needs to clear so we can take it out. And hopefully the car stays. We're on the street, guys, so we don't have no blocks or nothing. I put the e-brake, so yeah. Huh? Is it same?
Yeah. It's a little tighter.
Yeah. How many guys does it take to change a tire?
2.
2? Okay, no, you're right. I'm just sitting.
Actually, 1.
1. Yeah, right. Come on. You will keep spinning on that bolt for an hour.
No.
Well, the tire's still on. Take it off, George. Oh, yeah, Preston. I knew I'm going to get you somehow. All right. You think it's going to come out sometime today?
No. I know how to do it right.
Ooh.
And you're the one that was close to the edge.
What close to the edge?
You're the driver.
So what's that got to do with me? Oh my.
Should I pull it out?
Yeah, see if you can. Whoa, how did that get in? Let me see it. It's not even sharp.
Nope.
That is just freaking crazy. Look at that.
Not even making
And
any
these tires
noise.
is like not even that old. Man,
Pretty good.
this is just crazy. All right, that's fine. See if you can put that in. No, you can't.
Are you
Can
sure?
you?
I don't know.
Here, you do this. Hold on.
Let's see. So,
Man, those wheels are nice. Woo! I think you gotta get some of those. Okay, can you crank that up? It needs to go just a little higher. Slowly, because we're like downhill, so I don't want the car to take off. So slowly go, don't crank it hard, you know? It's like, you can see that I can't put the whole thing. You doing it, George? Hey, that was funny. Come on, that was funny. It was a camera moment. Come on, do it again. You don't have to tighten him up. Do the other one first.
get an angle on it.
First, you got to put it. There you go. Just make sure it's going nice and smooth. Oh, look at George. He's got skills. No, don't tighten it yet. Just do all of them to be tight.
Yeah. Make sure they're all in.
Yep.
Leave the tightening to me.
Yep, there you go. Kevin's gonna finish it off. Oops! Oops! Oops!
So I'm gonna
Sounds
hit
like
Got
the
that
guy.
sticky fingers.
Sounds like the guy who installed the tire.
Right.
Kept dropping it.
And there's one more, I think.
oh,
Now check, make sure that they're all kind of like the same type.
Oh, no.
There you go. Do all 5. Check all 5 that they're the same.
Yep, they're all.
What I'm talking about on him with the tool, so the tool can really tell you what's going on. All 5. George, put it in. You gotta make sure it's on that thing. There you go. Push pressure. Okay, go to the next. There you go. Next. Alright, now you can let Kevin do is like, just make sure that you put it on and you put like, you don't want to all the pressure, but you want to feel, so you do this one, that one, then up and down. You can pick which one do you want, it doesn't matter. So you just got to make sure don't overdo it. There you go. That's one. To the next. There you go. Down and then up and then up. And then you still got that one. Okay, now you put more pressure on start on that and really put pressure as much as you feel like you can. There you go. That's good. Do the other one. No, no. You're always doing it across. Yeah. Hold on. You know why it's hard? Because you don't have the leverage. You gotta be more there. There you go, like that. Now you can push. There you go. Good. Now you can choose when it's up and down. You can choose between those two. Not a problem. Just, you know. That's good. Do the upper one. There you go. And you got one more. There you go. Huh? Nice. All right. Teamwork. Okay.
What do we need that
George,
for?
that's for the spare tire.
Oh.
No, let George take that off. Come on, take it off. You gotta work somehow. You gotta go backwards with it. Backwards.
Oh, you're right. Yeah, right.
Like that. There you go.
Oh, okay.
All the way down. We did it. Almost.
Not bad for a spare tire.
Huh?
Not bad for a spare tire.
No, that's a nice spare tire. You done, George? All right, take it out.
Slowly.
Don't break it.
Yeah,
Okay, just undo more then. You gotta until it comes out of there.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
I think that's
How was it, George? How was it? Speed for days.
Put it completely flat. You know what I put this into?
I guess he's not in the talk mood.
Oh, wait, what?
I was talking to you.
I'll go inside. Oh, wait.
Them boys are working hard. I think I'll keep them around. Let's look back at the... That's our souvenir. Now how is this gonna give you a flat tire? How stupid is that? Preston, you still want it?
Yeah.
Yeah, here you go.
That's a souvenir.
Alright.
That almost hit him in the head.
That's all sure of, guys.